Hey, what's up guys? It's Richie with Garbage Truck Mechanics. Right now I'm currently working on a 2007 Ford E-350 with a 6.0 Power Stroke. Yes, a 6.0 Power Stroke. And it's actually my work truck. And what happened last night, I was riding home and it just decided to shut off. I coasted into a parking lot, tried to turn the key, nothing. It's like if the starter went bad, but just randomly driving down the road. Go to put it in park, tried to crank it, nothing. Neutral, go to crank it, nothing at all. So I finally got it started. I used a power probe on the signal wire on the starter, and it started right up without a problem. And I watched on my computer, which is a ProLink Edge by Snap-on, with all the software that I ever need to do tractor trailers and light duty diesels. And go to watch the ICP, IPR, the Fickham voltage, cranked it over, all that was fine. Go to get in it, put it in reverse, and it had a high idle. It just banged in the gear, and then put in drive, same thing. Come to find out, the transmission was in limp mode. And what that did was just did a fail safe on the transmission so you don't burn anything up. It felt like I was pulling a piece of equipment with a huge trailer on it on a flat ground. So I got home and I decided to check codes. And what I have here is, I can figure out how to flip this over. I don't know, but I'll do this. I had engine cooling fan control malfunction, fan speed sensor. And then when I went down here to the transmission, which is the PRNDL, circuit range performance problem. And then a bunch of other little bull crap codes. So what I found through a little bit of stuff right here was if you go over to, and this took me about a couple hours to figure out since I had that one code and it was the next best thing. If you unplug, or I'll show you what it's doing first. So even though it is in park right now, and I know everything's all backwards, very new to YouTube. I'm turning the key, nothing's happening. Put in neutral, nothing's happening. So what I found, you go over to the fan plug. I hope you can see this. Unplug the fan. Right down in there behind the dipstick between all this. So if you have really big hands, good luck. Now, I go over to start it. Starts right up. So if you're as surprised as I am that the fan caused it to go the transmission into limp mode, and good luck trying to find another video on YouTube or Google about anything. They're saying it's that range switch and it's inside the transmission. So for a quick diagnostics for other shops and just backyard guys, unplug the fan. Just try it first. There must be a voltage somewhere in there, and especially right now, this part of the state, it's the other days where it's 100 degrees, high humidity, so running the AC the whole time, and the van basically never shuts off during the day. But yeah, hopefully this helps somebody else, because I sure as hell wish I had this video earlier. Take care.